Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, rough day here. Started off nice, and then the afternoon showed up, and like so many times before, whether it's the afternoon and then the price explodes to the upside, or what happened today, afternoon showed up and then the price just got absolutely destroyed to the downside. It was another very, very eventful day, and certainly some updates here need to be done. So the first update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into today, that 321.75 mark was an area of support that I talked about quite a bit. But with the price breaking down below there, that now is going to be what I would consider a near-term area of resistance, meaning if there is any sort of, chance of getting back up to some of these other areas, then before you start talking about, let me do this, for example. So definitely going forward, this area right here has now been established very much so as a key area of resistance right up there at 320.350. But my point here is this, that before you really put on or focus much on 320 or 323.50, the price first needs to prove itself in the near term, quote unquote, prove itself being defined as getting up above the 321.75 mark. So yes, 320.350 is certainly a level of resistance, but my point here is first the price needs to get above 321.75. So those are going to be the first two main areas of resistance headed into tomorrow. As far as levels of support are concerned, main area of support at this point in the very near term is that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 200 period moving average. Current value of that is 320.50. And if that level can't quite hold up, then at that point, next key overarching level of support would be down here around these lows are at, which sit right around 319.50. So 320.50, 319.50, next couple of key areas of support. But yeah, today when that afternoon really shook things up quite a bit, but we'll see if the price and the bulls can try to recover or not on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.